Oh, excellent, there's nobody here. I'm just going to eat this here lovely chicken. Yum, yum, yum. Chicken, chicken.
Oh, hello there, young man. What are you doing here?
I wasn't doing anything.
Did you catch my last lesson on hormones and what they do? I was talking about blood glucose levels.
No, I didn't see that, no.
It's just that you might be quite interested in this latest lesson, that's all. We're going to learn about diabetes and the two different types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. People who have diabetes cannot control their blood glucose levels very well. Low blood glucose concentrations may cause unconsciousness, but high blood glucose concentrations cause tiredness and can damage organs such as the eyes. If blood glucose concentrations become too high, the kidney gets rid of it by putting it into the urine. So, to the two types of diabetes.
Okay then, yeah. Type A and type B.
No, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes, it's between 5 and 10% of diabetics have this, in which the pancreas does not produce insulin.
Insulin, yeah, right, insulin.
This means that when blood glucose concentrations rise, the body cannot bring them back down to the correct levels. So people with type 1 diabetes usually inject insulin every day.
Oh, like a needle?
Yes, that's right, they inject it using a syringe. Insulin needs to be injected into the fat layer beneath the skin because fat easily absorbs insulin. This then spreads into blood vessels and is carried around the body. To successfully control type 1 diabetes, diabetics need to balance the factors that lower blood glucose levels with those that increase the levels. So, if they have more exercise, then they need less insulin. More insulin might be needed on some days than others.
Well, what's the other type of diabetes then?
Type 2 diabetes. I'm glad you're here for this one, actually. Type 2 diabetes usually occurs when the cells in a person's body respond less well to insulin. The cells start to become resistant to the insulin, even though the hormone is being produced. So insulin is being produced, but the cells start to become resistant to it.
Oh, why might that interest me then?
Well, scientists have discovered a number of risk factors that may help to cause type 2 diabetes, including high-fat diets, lack of exercise, getting older, and being obese, which means very overweight.
Oh, you saw the whole chicken thing, right? Oh dear, I best be more careful then.
Yes. Doctors class people as obese if they have a body mass index of over 30. You can measure your body mass index by taking your weight in kilograms and dividing it by your height in meters squared. That is your height in meters times by itself. But don't worry, you can actually control type 2 diabetes by changing your diet and by increasing the amount of exercise you take. I hope this helps. Bye!
Well, that's given me something to think about. Bye.